just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again.
These are definitely a different color to what I've used before. Let's go in the sun maybe a bit. Okay, well, we can only try.
I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody.
Just trying to decide which layout to do. So if it's all going to be decking tiles or if it's going to be a combination of decking tiles, which are much more expensive than the artificial grass, but the artificial grass gets way too hot if it's in direct sunlight, so got to factor in that as well.
작전은 간단해 관심을 낚아챈다 애찬 방심은 환영이에요 팽팽한 월시 위를 당기다가 누우면 저기 날아가 Boom straight into your heart.
As you can see, the process is very easy once you get the hang of it. Now later on in the video I'll give you a close-up on exactly which orientation, which way to lay the tiles, because it's very important that you orient them the same way throughout your project, otherwise you end up with a whole mess. Trust me, I've learned from experience having to pull up a whole bunch of tiles because I have put them on incorrectly to start with. It's super easy. You just literally click them together. If you get them all unpacked and set out where they're easy to grab along your working row, it takes no time at all. Honestly, the entire back area, I did it in 2 stages just to spread the cost out over a few months. But my backyard balcony courtyard area is approximately 30 square meters, give or take a few funny edges. I could probably put these down in around an hour. It is, no joke, the quickest and easiest process. You just need to make sure you get your tiles oriented correctly. Now you can see me here, I'm just walking over the seams or the join pieces of the tiles. This is to just make sure that they are really fully and well clicked down together. They are securely in place.
There's no turning back. 거품처럼 사라져버린.
Later on in the video, I will show you some issues that I had with this different batch of IKEA RUNNEN tiles. I think the quality has gone down considerably from the last projects that I used. Last time they were more of a reddish kind of jarrah color. I think this is the color called Acacia. I'm not 100% sure, but the quality has changed, the finish has changed. Previously, I've had my courtyard completed in an area where it was full sun, fully exposed, no cover at all from very harsh Queensland sun, rain, no cover whatsoever, and they lasted perfectly for over a year. These tiles have been down for around 8 months now, and they have not weathered well at all. As you'll see later in the video, I've had to end up sanding them, staining them, a lot of maintenance compared to the old version of these same IKEA RUNNEN tiles. I wish they hadn't have changed them because the old ones were just so low maintenance, lasted perfectly, they were amazing.
진실이 돼요. 그저 그거면 돼요.
It's hard to see rain on camera, but it's quite heavy. So we're going to have to postpone the outdoor video to another time. The weather finally cleared up, so I was able to finish the edging where there was only space for half a tile by doing a lot of cutting. I should have honestly left it in my original layout where I started in the back corner and kept the finished edges along the two longest sides of the backyard balcony courtyard, but I didn't, and hindsight is 2020. I wish I had left it in the original layout, so put a lot of thought in if you were planning to do this. I thought that I would make the neatest edge in front of the balcony door where you come from the apartment to outside, and I wanted to make that a really nice, neat, finished edge. But in fact, I could have done that by still starting in the far end and working towards the balcony door. So yeah, definitely put a lot of thought in the planning process. This clippy side along here, and then on this side, it's got the bits that attach to the clippy side. So as long as you always run them in the same direction, like always have the tiles oriented the same way, you'll never have an issue. You'll have an issue if you try to do it this way. Unless you want to go shooting off in another direction. And they just click together. And that's why I walk across them along this seam, just to make sure they've got a really tight join, and then you can pull them apart as well many times over. The only thing is, when you cut them, say you want to finish off a row but you don't have room for a full tile, if you cut them, you can use them only going in the same direction. So if I had like a long row along here and along here, for instance, where I only had space for a half one, if I cut it so that it attaches to my run, only this one, this part here, will attach, and then when I've got the cut edge here, I won't be able to attach this top piece in the same direction. So it's kind of wasteful in that regard. So you really want to map out where you want your neat, clean edges to be from the start, and then minimize the number of cut pieces that you need to use to finish your project.
Take me on a spree. I wanna get to know me, every little inch of me. Gentle while you stroke, when you picture me, every number count, love tokens. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. I've said it doesn't matter now, but it defeats me. Shackles around one's feet is not so neat. Oh, hurry with the kisses, your lips and the balm. Every number counts, love tokens. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. Oh, it must have been the first.
Now here you can kind of see where the sun ends is where the stain finished. So there were a line of 4 tiles where I didn't have enough stain to finish. It's better, but it's still not great. It's not as good as I'd hoped. Hey, buddy. Well, you can definitely see what we've done today. Boop.
Dismantles me still. Oh, it's deep, so deep. Oh, it's deep, so deep.
To get some privacy screens to hide this because it's so ugly and you can see it from when you're sitting inside the house. Broom sticking in there. Potting mix and perlite. Firewood charcoal. Charcoal barbecue. Camping gear and outside stuff. And this one. Gardening bits and pieces.
The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. The slowness creeps towards my feet within the light the morning brings to clean the remnants of a dream. Shadows you cannot see, I brush aside. my mind is weak, the lows are deep. I fall into the refuge that is sleep. There's nothing in my view but images of you 1,000 times. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. Love is nothing
Sorry,
but
buddy,
an
but you can't go there.
echo.
Come on.
A memory you can't deny.
Pretty bear, you're a big boy now, aren't you? You're gonna be 5
Life
years
is
old.
nothing but a
5 years old this year.
fiction.
What a
Play without a stage, an ocean without waves.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've got some inspiration or some ideas if you have a backyard, balcony, patio, courtyard area that you are looking for inspiration to transform yourself. Now, while I am disappointed about the drop-in quality of the IKEA RUNNEN tiles, I do still think that overall the transformation has made the space just look 1,000 times better and so much more usable. Previously, when we had the algae-covered, dingy terracotta tiles, we never went outside, and now we use it all the time when it stops raining. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous week, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.